FareHarbor Booking Platform Review Usage Experience. Welcome to our FareHarbor review. Links to the platform and additional resources can be found in the description below. Let's break down its features, target audience, and real-world performance to help you decide if it's the right fit for your business. FareHarbor is a comprehensive booking platform designed specifically for tour operators, activity providers, and other experience-based businesses. It's ideal for companies that manage reservations, payments, and client communication in industries such as travel, adventure, and entertainment. The platform stands out for its user-friendly booking interface. Whether clients are booking directly through your website, social media, or mobile device, FareHarbor ensures a seamless and professional experience. The booking system is customizable, allowing you to showcase your brand and highlight key offerings like tours, packages, or add-ons. FareHarbor's resource and staff management tools are essential for businesses coordinating schedules, equipment, or team members. These features ensure that availability is always up to date, preventing overbooking or scheduling conflicts. It also integrates seamlessly with Google Calendar and other scheduling tools to keep operations running smoothly. A standout aspect of FareHarbor is its payment processing functionality. It supports secure, hassle-free transactions, enabling businesses to accept payments up front, set deposits, or manage refunds and cancellation fees. Multi-currency support is available, making it an excellent choice for businesses with international clients. For marketing, FareHarbor includes tools to optimize sales such as online gift cards, promo codes, and upselling features. Additionally, the platform provides valuable analytics and reporting, giving you insights into bookings, revenue, and customer behavior to help you refine your strategy. Another advantage is FareHarbor's dedicated customer support team, which is available 24/7 to assist with setup, training, and ongoing issues. Their team ensures businesses make the most of the platform's capabilities, from customization to integrations with third-party tools like TripAdvisor, Google Ads, and CRM systems. In conclusion, FareHarbor is a robust, industry-focused solution that simplifies booking, enhances client experiences, and boosts business efficiency. If you're in the tourism or experience-based sector, this platform is definitely worth considering. Check out the links in the description to learn more and get started today.